everyone. What is the best online broker platform for beginner investors? And which is the best free commission online brokers? So we're going to look at Robinhood and compare it to Webull. I personally use Robinhood and like it. And I also have Webull, which I believe is like Robinhood is like elementary school and Webull would be more like college. So, okay, they're both touted as free. They are the two most popular free investing platforms out there, which is really great as a beginner investor because back in the day, everyone charged you to buy a stock and they charged you to sell a stock and they charged you to maintain the stock. So there was charges. So this is the amazing opportunity for you, especially a first-time investor. So they have sign-up incentives. If you use my link below for Robinhood and Webull, you'll get up to 3 stocks. You get a free stock for Robinhood for just simply signing up. You don't have to put any money or anything in. You just sign up and you'll get 1 free stock. And Webull, same thing. For just simply signing up at Webull, you'll get 1 free stock. And then Webull offers you a second incentive. If you put $100 in the Webull account, you'll get your second free stock. And it's just the luck of the draw lottery style. If you get like from anywhere from a $3 stock to $200 to maybe possibly a $1,400 stock. So, so let's see. Webull and Robinhood, they don't charge you anything when you buy a stock and they don't charge you anything when you trade the stock or sell it. And Webull offers the free IRA accounts. But right now on Robinhood, there's not an IRA account. And Webull offers Webull does not offer fractional shares. So if you're a first-time investor, that might be something that you're considering. And Robinhood does offer fractional shares. So instead of like, if you really want to buy Amazon and you don't have the $3,000 to buy Amazon, you can buy fractional shares. So you could put like $100 in to get 100 fractional shares. So that could be interesting, especially when you're a beginner investor and you might only have 1,000, 5,000, to start with. And Robinhood, you can do as little as $1 in stocks and ETFs. And Webull offers commission-free short selling in margin accounts. That's, let's save that for a little while. But just, that's something like if you're going to step up your game from just a simple investor, is what I'd like to call it. We're beginners right now. So let's just keep it simple. Keep it simple. Robinhood does not offer short selling. And Robinhood is touted as the beginner's investing platform. So I love it. I know you'll love it. It's simple. It's easy. It's very easy. And Webull, what people like about Webull, especially more advanced investors, they offer research tools that Robinhood doesn't have. They have research. They're for more information, research-oriented traders, investors. And Webull does offer a stimulator, so you can practice on a free stimulator. Robinhood does not have the free stimulator, but you can always do penny stocks just to practice is what I recommend. Try like 1 or 2 pennies, maybe 3 pennies, just to practice all the buttons on pennies before you take this, go on the diving board and dive into the pool of money pool and see, because we don't want you to be drowning. We want you to be floating on that big yacht is the goal. So, customer service, I found customer service on Robinhood to be great. I emailed them. They email me back. They don't have a phone. Webull and Robinhood, they just have emails when it customer service. Some people say I had no problem. It's a pandemic. So, and once you get to, after you start, you could go to the M1 Finance, the Schwabs, the Fidelity, the Vanguards. There are some more. I have another podcast that goes over the other platforms, but this is the free ones. Gives you the free stock. So it encourages you to go and check it out. And so, let's see, the minimum balance on Webull and Robinhood are both 0. You don't have to have any money in there, just $0, and you get your free stock from each one. You get 1 free stock for just signing up. You don't have to put money in. Trading commissions, when you want to sell or buy, there's no fees. And then a Webull offers the taxable account, margin, and IRA. Robinhood has a taxable account and margin. Right now, it does not have IRA. Robinhood does not have the IRA. Webull, you can buy stocks, ETFs, options, and do short sellings. So at the beginning, see my other podcasts, what ETFs are, and index funds and RIFs. Robinhood lets you buy stocks, ETFs, options, and now cryptocurrency. So everyone loves that. They're really expensive right now, but that's why if you would have been on Robinhood or Webull or had a stock platform, you would have known like possibly to invest a long time ago before it got past $100, and you'd be sitting on like $8,000, $9,000. You could have sold when it hit $15,000 and $20,000, the cryptocurrencies, but now it's way up there. So we're beginner investors. So that's, maybe we missed that one, but I just want you to be set and ready for the stocks that you want so that you can be on the beginning of the roller coaster ride as opposed to the very, the tip top when the market's already oversaturated and overvalued. You want to get there while it's undervalued or growing or steady with some dividends. The Webull offers you 2 free stocks. One is free as long as you deposit $100 in there. And Robinhood just is like, yoo-hoo, sign up, we'll give you 1 free stock. And Webull doesn't do fractional shares and Robinhood does. So that's great for beginner investors. Robinhood doesn't have dividend reinvestment. Webull doesn't have dividend reinvestment, but Robinhood does. Webull has the trading stimulator, which is great to practice on. So that's why I want you guys to go on there and practice on that. Or Robinhood doesn't have it, but you can always practice with 1 penny just to learn the buttons. Webull doesn't have rebalancing tools, neither does Robinhood. Pre-built portfolios, no for both Webull and Robinhood. IPO investing is really big. That's where you hear all the investors got in at the IPO, which is initial public offering. Like when Facebook came out, you get it before it goes sky high. Like you could have got Tesla before it went up. You could have got Netflix and Amazon and Apple and Microsoft, and you could have got in there at the beginning. So Webull lets you get in at the beginning. So that's really important. Sometimes people have 2 to 3 investing platforms. Like Webull has IPO investing. Robinhood currently does not. That might change in the future because they're pretty progressive and keeps up with the other platforms. Stock lending income program. Webull does. Robinhood does not. Stock lending income programs, that gets to a little bit more advanced, like, the traders. Checkings and savings account. Right now it says Webull does not, and it says yes to Robinhood, which is something really brand new that's coming along, like where they're going to give you your money that's just sitting in there will gain interest. So I'm very excited about that. Charting data, Webull has it says it has advanced, and Robinhood has basic charting data. And so Webull is best for intermediate and active traders, and Robinhood is for beginners, super easy. And what I like it, if you go to buy something, if it's green, it's like, hey, the stock's doing well, like green, like, yeah. And if it's red, it means the stock's going down. So at least it gives you the really basics. You're like, ooh, the stock's going down. Maybe we don't want to go in there. And you can put alerts on Google Alerts and stuff like that. So I hope that simplifies really, really easy. And I'll just like again. Webull, commission-free trading. You get stocks, ETFs, and options. You can do individual, traditional IRA, and Roth IRA. Account minimum, 0. You don't have to have any money in there unless you want the second free stock. So you put $100 in. So you get 1 free stock to sign up on Webull, and the second free stock bonus when you put $100 in there. It has free trading, commission-free short selling, real-time market data, trading stimulator, advanced mobile app, and on the computer. And Robinhood has both computer and phone app, which I like a lot. And so let me just summarize a little bit more. Robinhood is really I just love it. You can see your investments right there on the screen. You can see if they're going up or down every day. It's my favorite. I love it. I highly recommend you to start. And Robinhood released Robinhood Gold. So if you do want to be more fancy and do margins, then it's $5 a month. That once you get a little bit more fancy and like feel like you're gonna go up to like college on your investment kind of things, you can do that. Let's see. price alerts. Webull gives users the ability to set price alerts, and currently Robinhood does not offer price alerts, but you can always do price alerts on Google, or put on your phone. And it's I really like it, so I hope this helps simplifies you. They're both free and they give you free stock, and I try to simplify them as easily and best as I could. And I encourage you to check it out, get your free stock. Even if you never buy a stock, you'll have a free stock, and just see what happens with it. And thank you for listening. And remember, this is for educational and entertainment purposes. And it's my disclaimer. Let's get rich. Check out my links below. And also, I have a #1 podcast for kids. I hit #1 around the world. If you want to check it out, if you want to support me, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you for your time. And remember the disclaimer, I'm not a licensed financial advisor. And always educate, study, and learn, and meet with your financial licensed advisor before you invest in any stocks.